Hey everyone, we're Intown Collective, and today we are breaking down the steps to buying a home in Atlanta. We hope you love.
First things first, you need to get your finances in order. We're going to need a pre-approval letter from a local lender or a bank to show that you're ready to purchase your home.
You have your pre-approval letter ready to go. So now we're going to start touring homes in our beautiful city, and we're going to find that perfect home that fits your lifestyle, fits all the things that you need, and we're going to write our offer.
So perhaps the most important part of our offer is the sales price, what we're going to be offering our seller, because they truly care about what they net, right? At the closing table, you'll be bringing your down payment, but also your closing costs. And to arrive at this number, we guesstimate it's around 3.5% of the sales price. Your closing costs include a multitude of different things that your lender can go over with you, but for the most part, it's lender's fees, attorney's fees, taxes, homeowner's insurance held in a safe escrow account for the first year, but we'll go over all of this before closing.
Now that your home is under contract, it's time to deposit earnest money. This is a good faith deposit, about 1 to 2% of the purchase price that will be credited back to you at closing. Once under contract, the first week or so is called the due diligence period, also known as the inspection period or sometimes free look, because during that week, you can get your inspection, really look into the home, get requests for repairs, and if for any reason that you want to back out, you can, and you'll get your earnest money back.
So due diligence has begun, and we're going to get an inspection for the home that you chose, and we're all going to sit down and review the report, which comes back in 24 hours, and we're going to decide what repairs to ask for, or even better, cash towards closing.
Once we're through with due diligence, your lender is going to order the appraisal to determine the fair market value of the home.
There are two contingencies throughout the contract that protect you as the buyer. First is the financing contingency, where you really just dig into your finances, and if for some reason you're not approved, you can back out and get your earnest money back. The second one is the appraisal contingency. If the home does not appraise to the purchase price in the contract, you and the seller can negotiate, and if you can't come to terms, you can back out and get your earnest money back.
So you've already received the buyer brokerage agreement, which is the agreement between you and I, allowing me to represent you. I'm going to write your offer and send you the documents such as purchase and sale and all the disclosures that will inform us about the home.
So we've sent our offer out. They may accept it, which would be amazing. If not, they'll send us a counter offer and we'll review that together and hopefully go under contract. We also say that we go binding. From there, we'll send you a congrats email detailing all the next steps.
So what does it mean when we're binding, we're under contract? That means that everybody signs. So let's say we go binding today, tomorrow is day one of due diligence. Normal contract to close, the transaction period is around 30 days. You might be wondering when your first mortgage payment is going to start. So let's say it's March. We write our offer today, we'll close in April. Your first mortgage payment won't even happen until June 1st. So let's say you're renting currently. There won't be a ton of overlap between your rental fee and your mortgage payment.
All right, guys, so we're cruising to closing. We have our final walkthrough to make sure everything is as you expect it to be, and we're gonna go to the attorney's office. We're gonna sit at the closing table, my favorite spot, and we're gonna sign a number of documents that make this home yours. After that, you get your keys, we're gonna take a cute little picture, and you are homeowners.
After closing, we are still here for you, and we will send you our exclusive vendor list for anything that you could need.
So we hope that helped. We know the process can be overwhelming, but we are here anytime to help you guys achieve your real estate dreams. Call us.